Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable auto rotation on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So, the feature itself can be pretty annoying, let's be honest, because auto-rotating is not something we always want, especially if we are moving a lot with the helmet on or whatever. Even not right now, it's not correct. Can you please? Okay, thank you. So, how can we get rid of that? Well, luckily it's very easy. You want to expand your control sensor, and then you want to click the lock icon. And now, we have our screen locked, which actually is not something we want. Sorry for that. Seriously, that was a misclick. We want to instead go to the preferences here. And now, we can see that it's locked inside this mode. Oh, the focus died. Okay. So as you can see, we can rotate it freely, and the focus is there. So never mind, you don't really have to lock your screen, sorry for that. We can disable the lock, but you want to make sure that the icon below the lock is enabled, because this way the arrows will actually automatically adjust itself to left, right and upside down, and here it will be locked into whatever you're currently in, which is pretty good. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.